Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Google Pixel 4 XL with broken tempered glass. But we're not gonna replace the display this time. We're gonna replace the battery. So the Google Pixel 4 XL, in order for us to replace the battery, we have to remove the back glass. So unlike other Google Pixel phone that we have repaired in the past, this one has a removable back cover. And right away we can see the battery. So we're just gonna remove this connector. So this is for the fingerprint scanner. It's got a retaining bracket here, so we have to carefully remove this because we will be reusing this later on. And then we're gonna remove the connector for the battery. This is the flat cable here that is going to the right side. It's also got a retaining bracket, but we're gonna open it for now. And then this is the replacement battery. We're gonna test it, but we're not gonna remove the old battery first. Make sure that the smartphone is gonna turn on with the new battery. But first, we're gonna flip it over, see what's happening with the device, and press the power button on. As you can see here, it works. It's not anymore connected to the old battery. It's now getting its power in the battery that's protruding down, and then it's also recharging. So this is a good sign, a good go signal for us to continue the disassembly. We're gonna remove the battery. We're gonna turn this off and then remove the battery and then put the new battery in. It's pretty minimal work compared to a full-on screen replacement, but we're gonna remove the battery, which is a high-powered piece of lithium-ion battery pack. So we have to take our time. As you can see, David here is using this flexible prying tool. The glue is really strong. We're gonna agitate it with this spray-on liquid and then slowly lift it up. Never bend the battery if you want to do this on your own, which is, I don't really recommend that you DIY a battery replacement with this kind of setup. The adhesive is too strong because you might poke the battery, put a dent on it or bend it, and it can explode and it can cause injury or fire. So the battery is now removed. We're gonna position the new battery in and then press it in. It's as straightforward as that. And then connect the flat cable and then reassemble the whole thing. So if you have a Google Pixel or iPhone that is in need of a battery replacement, we do this stuff all the time here in the shop. Just message us or visit us, ask if we have the battery for your specific smartphone brand or model, and then we'll do it for you. You can just wait for us to finish the job and then you're good to go. This one is also good. We are now gonna press the back cover in, and then it's gonna be ready for the client. Final check on the battery charging state. Just clean it up. Apparently David is not gonna put a new tempered glass this time. We're just gonna clean it up and then give it back to the customer. So I hope you enjoyed this show, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.